Welcome back to the SQL 30-day learning series. In the previous session, we covered important concepts that will help you move to the next level. Today, we continue our journey with another essential SQL topic. Let us begin today's session. Welcome to day 19. Today, we will explore indexes, special structures that make queries faster. Indexes are essential for performance tuning and efficient data retrieval. An index is a data structure that speeds up lookups. Think of it like a book index. Instead of scanning every page, you jump directly to the right section. There are different types of indexes. A clustered index sorts tables, rows physically. A non-clustered index is a separate structure pointing to rows. A unique index ensures values are unique. Here is how to create an index. This example creates an index on the salary column in the employees table, making salary lookups faster. If you no longer need an index, you can drop it. This removes the index structure from the table. Indexes are most useful for large tables with frequent queries. They are especially helpful for columns used in where, join, or order by clauses. Indexes are not free. They require extra storage and they can slow down insert, update, or delete operations. Too many indexes can actually hurt performance. Let us practice. Create an index on the department column, query employees by department, then drop the index and compare performance. In an e-commerce database, indexes on product ID make product lookups faster. Indexes on customer ID speed up order searches, and indexes on date make sales reports more efficient. Here are some mini challenges. Try creating an index on student ID in the students table, another on course ID in enrollments, and test queries with and without indexes. Your assignment. Create employees and sales tables. Write queries to create indexes on key columns. Run queries with indexes. Then drop indexes and compare performance. To summarize, indexes are data structures that speed up lookups and improve query performance. They require extra storage and can slow down writes, so use them wisely. Tomorrow, we will learn about transactions, begin, commit, and rollback.